a grayscale moon, I was sinking low. Silent shadows all around, I didn't know where to go. Then I picked up a brush and I started to see a universe inside just waiting to set me free. Every shade, every line, I'm rewriting my story. Turning pain into paint, I'm awaking my glory. Color my world, break through the dark, light up the sky with a fiery spark. Every hue, a piece of my soul, empowered alive, I'm finally whole. Color my world with strength and grace. In this last just piece, I found my place. Turn the page, let the colors unfurl. This is my power, I'm gonna color my world. Faced with fears, I would hide behind all black and white. But now I'm shining bright, with colors burning bright. Every stroke, every splash, a shout to the sky. I'm a canvas of dreams that refuse to die. Every shade, every line, I'm rewriting my story. Turning clay into paint, I'm awaking my glory. Color my rules, break through the dark, light up the sky with a fiery spark. Every hue, a piece of my soul, empowered alive, I'm finally whole. Color my rule with strength and grace. In this masterpiece, I found my place. Turn the page, let the colors unfurl. This is my power, I'm gonna color my world. Brush in my hand, I'm taking command. No more shadows, I'll stand. With colors that scream, I'm living my dream, breaking free from the seams. Color my world, break from the dark, light up the sky with a fiery spark. Every hue, a piece of my soul, empowered alive, I'm finally whole. Color my world with strength and grace. In this masterpiece, I found my place. Turn the page, let the colors unfurl. This is what power, I'm gonna color my world. Color my world, yeah. I'm alive, I'm free. This is the power of me. I've walked through shadows I couldn't name, carried colors that felt like shame. But I found something in the fade, a spark where softer shades were laid. Now I don't run, I sit and see the way light wants to color me. Now I'm tinted with light, not fear. Paint in peace where pain was near. Every page a second chance, a quiet golden kind of dance. I may not shine, but I am bright in every line. I'm tinted with light. I used to think I had to glow, be bold and loud for them to know. But soft can still be strong and true, and pastels carry power too. I trace my healing stroke by stroke, a silent promise as I grow. Now I'm treated with light, not fear. Painting peace where pain was near. Every page a second chance, a quiet golden kind of dance. I may not shine, but I am bright. In every line I'm tinted with light. The world may never see the goal that lives in pages only I know. But in the stillness I believe this soft light will never leave. Not fear, painting peace where pain night, but still inside, a soul reborn in a sun or light. I don't need love to make it right, I only need to be tinted with light. It doesn't shout, it doesn't shine, but something sacred lives in time. A pencil tracing soft and slow, a silence only I can know. The world moves fast, but I sit still and let the color gently fill. This is the shape of stillness, round and wide. A quiet breath I hold inside. No sharp edges, no disguise, just open space behind my eyes. I don't need love to feel alive, I found the shape of stillness here inside. The brush, the page, the steady hand, they asked for nothing, just to stand. No voice to raise, no need to prove, just patient rhythm, subtle moves. It holds me like a weightless thread, a hush that hums inside my head. This is the shape of stillness, round and wide. A quiet breath I hold inside. No sharp edges, no disguise, just open space behind my eyes. I don't need love to feel alive, I found the shape of stillness here inside. They chase the noise, I seek the shade, where softer tones are gently laid. And in that calm I finally see stillness has a form in me. This is the shape of stillness, soft and sure. The silence deep, a quiet pure. No applause, no need to win, just grace that settles from within. Let others rise, let others race, I'll stay right here in this still place. They rush through pages, chase the bold, but I let quiet colors unfold. A blend of pastel, slow and true. I don't need loud to make it through. My strength is in the way I stay. Brush in hand, I find my way. Soft is strong when I color slow. Let the gentle pigments flow. Every stroke a quiet flame, a silent vow I don't explain. They see peace but they are wrong. This is where soft is strong. No sharp lines to prove I'm tough, just layered shades, more than enough. I trust the pause, the hush, the space, show the world a different grace. Not every fire has to burn, some glow inside, some softly turn. Soft is strong, then I color slow. Let the gentle pigments flow. Every stroke of a quiet flame, a silent vow I don't explain. They see peace but they are wrong. This is where soft is strong. In every shade I let appear, I face the things I used to fear. A brush, a breath, and a steady hand, that's how I learned to take a stand. Soft is strong in every hue. I color brave, I color true. This isn't weakness, it's my way to rise in tones that softly stay. And every time they look too long, they'll see the proof. Soft is strong. to start over with every flaw, afraid they'd see the cracks I saw. But all that scrubbing left me thin, so I learned to let the lines stay in. Some are crooked, some are strained, but every one of them remains. These are the lines I don't erase, the ones that hold my truest place. Every smudge, every slip is part of who I am within. I'm not here to paint perfection's face, I'm here to keep the lines I don't erase. I've drawn in anger, drawn in doubt, and still the colors found a road. The mess, the hurt, the unrefined still speak the things I couldn't find. No shame in what the lines expose, they're how my quiet courage shows. These are the lines I don't erase, the ones that hold my truest place. Every smudge, every slip is part of who I am within. I'm not here to paint perfection's face, I'm here to keep the lines I don't erase. Let the page be worn and wide, let the truth have room to hide. I'm not fixing every start, some lines were meant to show my heart. These are the lines I don't erase, even when they feel misplaced. They hold my story scar by scar, a map of how I came this far. I'm not here to chase some flawless grace, I'm here to love the lines I don't erase. Je suis tombée bas, sans dire un mot. J'ai gardé ma voix, tout au fond de moi. Je me suis tue, par peur, par froid, et même perdue. Elle ne sortait pas. J'ai pleuré longtemps, sans faire de bruit. Et tous ces instants ont gravé mes nuits. Mais au milieu de ce grand silence, une lumière, une chance. Ma voix est là, même dans les pleurs. Elle ne tremble pas, elle bat dans mon cœur. Ma voix est là, même sans parler. Elle me tient droite, elle me fait chanter. J'ai repris l'encre, j'ai tendu les mains. Chaque mot me manque, mais je revis enfin. Je n'ai plus peur de ce que je ressens. Ma voix m'effleure et va droit devant. Ma voix est là, même dans les pleurs. Elle ne tremble pas, elle bat dans mon cœur. Ma voix est là, même sans parler. Elle me tient droit, elle me fait chanter. Elle était là quand je doutais, elle attendait que je renaissais. Ma voix est là, Quand je doutais, elle attendait que je renaissais. Ma voix est là, ma voix revient. Même si je crois qu'il n'y a plus rien, ma voix est là, et cette fois, je n'ai que cœur. I didn't plan to find it here, a page, a shade, the quiet clear. But something deep inside just knew this was the place that pulls me through. No doubt epiphany, no fight, just the slow return of the light. I'm drawn to peace like breath to air, to soft escape from heavy care. Every color calms the flame, every light forgets the shame. I never knew what I would need, but I was always drawn to peace. They told me healing has a cost, a list, a rule, a map I lost. But here I hold my own release. No judgment, only slow increase. I don't rush, I don't defend, I just return to me again. I'm drawn to peace like breath to air, to soft escape from heavy care. Every color calms the flame, every light forgets the shame. I never knew what I would need, but I was always drawn to peace. Let the world spin if it must. I found a space where I can trust. Here the silence doesn't break, it holds me softly while I'm away. I'm drawn to peace like tide to shore, and every stroke reveals me more. I don't need to prove or please, I'll simply slowly drawn to peace. Yes, I was always drawn to peace. Je suis restée là sans lumière, le cœur figé sous la poussière, mes cris noyés dans le silence, rien qu'un papier sans espérance. Mais mes doigts ont trouvé le chemin, un crayon, une trace, un matin. Et dans ce geste simple et pur, j'ai redessiné mes blessures. Je me rends aux couleurs, je laisse parler mes peurs. Chaque ligne, chaque nuance devient une délivrance. Je me ressors des tours à ces teintes qui m'entourent, et dans l'ombre de mes pleurs, je me rends couleur. J'ai colorié mes souvenirs, les noirs profonds, les non-dits, et dans les bleus j'ai su guérir chaque éclat revenu à la vie. Le rouge m'apprend à espérer, le jaune a tout recommencé. Et même si rien n'est parfait, je peins l'amour que je cherchais. Je me rends aux couleurs, je me laisse parler mes peurs. Chaque ligne, chaque nuance devient une délivrance. Je ressens des tours à ces teintes qui m'entourent, et dans l'ombre de mes pleurs, je me rends aux couleurs. Ce n'est pas juste un dessin, c'est un cri qui me retient. C'est la vie entre mes mains, c'est ma voix sur ce chemin. Je me rends aux couleurs, je leur confie mes douleurs. Chaque trait que je libère me rappelle que je suis fière. Je me rends sans retour et je retrouve l'amour. Oui, dans l'ombre de mes cœurs, je me rends aux couleurs. C'est ton cri qui me retient, c'est ma voix sur ce chemin. Je me rends aux couleurs.
Loud, I go quiet. Find a page and start a riot. Not with words, but with the shade. Peace in every mark I've made. I don't need to speak out loud. I've got colors in a cloud. Let the pencils lead the way. Wash the heavy thoughts away. Let the colors talk, let the lines be free. Every little stroke is a part of me. So red for the fire, blue for the calm, yellow for the joy that keeps me strong. No need for perfect, no need to explain. I let the colors talk through the rain. I mixed a mess with something true, a story told in every hue. When I'm lost, the shades will guide, a rainbow rising from inside. I don't chase a flawless line, I just color what feels mine. This is something I can make, a masterpiece in every break. Let the colors talk, let the lines be free. Every little stroke is a part of me. Red for the fire, blue for the calm, yellow for the joy that keeps me strong. No need for perfect, no need to explain.
fire blue for the calm, yellow for the joy that keeps me strong. No need for perfect, no need to explain. I'll let the colors talk through the rain.
I don't tiptoe with the shades. I go wild with pinks and blaze. Don't tell me to keep it neat. I like glitter on my feet. Broke the rules, now I feel free. Every page is loud like me. If I smudge, I won't rewind. Every mark is by design. Color outside the line, you bet I will this time. Let the quiet ones be loud. Let the shy ones stand proud. Color me bold, color me bright. Let every shade take up the light. No fear, no doubt, no need to hide. I'm showing off my vibrant side. I don't blend, I break the mold. Fill the frame in neon gold. Turn the page and lose control. Go ahead, colors me bold. You can keep your black and white. I was made to shine and fight. My pastels back, attitude soft but fierce. That's my mood, I don't wait to be approved. My crayons come with a groove. If I love it, that's enough. Art should always feel this tough. Color loud, color deep. Make the page feel your leap. Let them stare, let it glow. Let your messy magic show. Color me bold, color me bright. Let every shade take up the light. No fear, no doubt, no way to hide. I'm showing off my vibrant side. I don't blend, I break the mold. So the frame in neon gold. Turn the page and lose control. Go ahead, color me bold. They said quiet, I said loud. They said soft, I said proud. Now my paper screams my name, and I never color tame. Color me bold, color me bright. Yet every shade take up the light. No fear, no doubt, no need to hide. I'm showing off my vibrant side. I don't blend, I break the mold. So the flame in neon gold. Turn the page and lose control. Go ahead, color me bold. The world is loud tonight. I lose my way sometimes. I try to hold it all inside, but I break with every line. The page becomes my quiet place, a little piece I still can trace. The world may spin too fast, but here I find myself at last. And still I color through the storm. In every shade I feel reborn. No matter what the days undo, this is the way I make it through. They want me to be loud, but softness is my fight. I've learned to speak without sound, with pastels, not with spite. I blend the parts they never see. I color who I need to be. No need to meet the mold. This story's mine to shape and hold. And still I color through the storm. In every shade I feel reborn. No matter what the days undo, this is the way I make it through. Each stroke I
that place is something true, a thread that pulls me back to you. To meet a light to what I'd lost. This healing never comes without a cost. And still I color feel the storm. In every shade I feel reborn. No matter what the days undo, this is the way I make it through. Some days I'm lost in black and white, too tired to chase the fading light. But I pick up my quiet tools and break the noise with color rules. I don't need a map or plan, just a page beneath my hand. Let the world blur out of view. This moment's all I need to do. In the lines I find me, soft and slow, healing in every undertow. Every color knows my name, every shade a softer flame. It's not perfect, but it's free. In the lines I find me, oh. I've tried to fix what time has bent, but now I color what it meant. The mess, the joy, the fear, the grace, all belong in this small space. I blend the tears with pinks and blues, make art of things I never choose. No rules here, just room to be. A canvas full of honesty, oh. In the lines I find me, soft and slow, killer in every undertow. Every color knows my name, every shade a softer flame. It's not perfect, but it's free. In the lines I find me, oh. Let them chase the louder dreams, I'll stay here with quiet themes. In this silence I feel whole, crayon verses for my soul. Oh, in the lines I find me, day by day, washing heavy thoughts away. Every scar turns into light, every hue makes wrong feel right. Love unfolds so patiently. In the lines I find me, yes. In the lines I find me. I used to hide behind the gray, afraid to speak, afraid to stay. But silence turned to painted skies. I found my voice in lullaby lines. The world said, stay inside the lines, but I was born to redefine. With every shade I come alive. One breath, one brush, I survive. I color outside the shadows, fill the cracks with light I borrowed. Each mistake a bold design, each hue a piece of what is mine. No rules, no need to follow. I color outside the shadows. The page forgives what life forgets. I trace my heart with no regrets. The mess is part of what I am, a masterpiece without a plan. I blend my fears with dreams I keep. Layer hope In colors deep, the fold is loud, but I still know peace is something I can go. I color outside the shadows, fill the cracks with light I bound. Each mistake a bold design, each hue a case of what is mine. No walls, no need to follow, I color outside the shadows. Let the world stay black and white, I'll build my joy in bursts of light. With every line our eyes are healed, each color says it's safe to feel. I color outside the shadows, make beauty from the bad days. This page, my quiet battlefield, where broken hearts are gently healed. No silence left to swallow. I color outside the shadows. Yes, I color outside the shadows. They all held pencils, said that was the way. Sharpened tips and tiny strokes each day. But my hands would tremble, the line felt tight. Their colors dimmed what I saw in light. So I walked off the beaten path with pastel dust and fearless craft. I found the color of peace in a different hue. Not in the lines they drew, though, in what I do. Soft as breath, bold as flame, hand pastels whispered my name. I broke the rules to find release, and there I found the color of peace. It's not about tools, it's not about trends, it's what sets your spirit free. In the end I blend with brushes and dream in haze, each sweep rewriting all days. You don't have to fit their mold, there's more to art than doing what you're told. I found the color of peace in a different hue. Not in the lines they drew, no, in what I do. Soft as breath, bold as flame, hand pastels whispered my name. I broke the rules to find release, and there I found the color of peace. So try to scroll and dare to seize what sets your spirit wild and free. It's not about shoot, it's what feels right. Your hands know how to paint the light. You'll find the color of peace in your hue, not in tourmaline. And just find the color of peace in your own hue. Not in the lines they drew, only inside you. Soft or bright, sharp or wild, let your colors be untamed in style. There's no way to find your peace, just pick your tool and find release. That's how you find the color of peace. I used to fade into the white, afraid to shine, afraid of the light. But something changed inside my hands. A world of color took a stand. Every stroke a whispered truth, every shade a piece of proof. I'm not broken, just unseen, till I drew the in-between. This is the canvas of me, a messy magic symphony. Lines don't need to be straight, love can grow in shades of gray. I fill the silence with my hues and find myself in every blue. This is the canvas of me, wild and perfect, finally free. Some days I color out the lines and spill my blood in tangled signs. But even chaos finds a way
to make the darkness melt away. There's power in a pastel sky, and healing where the teardrops dry. So I paint even when I ache. A masterpiece is what we make. This is the canvas of me, a story told in ruby and sea. Flawed, vibrant, soft and bold, each layer brighter than the old. I trace my journey tenderly and stitch my soul in scenery. This is the canvas of me, coloring who I'm meant to be. Let them say it's just a page, but I found truth in every stage. Brush by brush I learned to see there's strength in how I choose to be. This is the canvas of me, no need for frames or symmetry. I'll keep painting through the doubt, let my colors figure out how to turn this heart to art. One quiet, fearless, glowing heart. This is the canvas of me, unfinished, real, and finally free. Flashing lights, 1,000 voices pull me right, but I've got a secret they can't see. Of a page, a brush, and room to breathe. I close the door, I dim the sound, and let the colors pull me down. I'm chasing the quiet within, where the noise can't ever win. In every stroke I disappear and find a world that feels sincere. No spotlight, no need to begin, just me and the quiet within. I don't explain where I retreat. This sanctuary's mine to keep, where shades can say what words do not, and peace is found in every dot. No filters here, no rush, no race, just paper, color, open space. I'm chasing the quiet within, where the noise can't ever own. In every stroke I disappear and find a world that feels sincere. No spotlight, no need to begin, just me and the quiet within. They scroll, they shout, they never pause. When I create without applause, this moment's mine. This moment's mine, I won't explain. It's how I wash away the strain. I'm chasing the quiet within, where my breath can start again. With every line I color free, I'm choosing who I get to be. Not perfect, not loud, not thin, just honest, still a quiet within.
Some days I wake, tangled thoughts, the lines are blurred, the colors lost, a storm inside. I try to hide, but I pick up my brush and I breathe through the tide. Each stroke quiets the noise, every hue gives me a voice. It's not perfect, but it's mine, and I find peace in every line. Color me calm, color me true, all of my heart bleeding through blue. Love and fear blend on the page, I turn my pain into something brave. In every shade I find my way, color me whole today. You sent my smile, fell far away, like I've been fading day by day. But watch me bloom beneath your gaze. I'm sketching hope in golden rays. Every panic I melt softens when the red runs dry. I see chaos, I see skies, painting truth behind my eyes. Calling me calm today. Calling me true. All of my heart bleeding through blue. Love and fear blend on the page. I turn my pain into something brave. In every shade I find my way. Calling me whole today. I used to hide inside the gray. Now I let the pinks and purple stay. Art is how I say I'm here, even when I disappear. Calling me calm, calling me real, calling the ache I couldn't feel. Brush by brush, I start again, turning the mess into my friend. And every shade I find my way. Thou me whole today. Calling me whole today. I sit down with colors in silence near. The worry fades out, my mind feels clear. A page so blank yet full of dreams. A space for hope to softly gleam. No rules to bind me, no lines to fear. I color my truth, I hold it dear. In these shades of calm I find my way, brushing off the noise of yesterday. Every hue a voice, a healing balm. I'm coming home in shades of calm. From brushed dances the past rewinds. I breathe in peace between the lines. Mistakes don't matter, they're part of me. A messy masterpiece, wild and free. I don't need perfect, just something true. A soul expressed in every hue. In these shades of calm I find my way, brushing off the noise of yesterday. In the hue a voice, a healing balm. I'm coming home in shades of calm. Let the colors speak what words can't say. Let the quiet guide the brush today. In the stillness I begin to see, this art is how I set me free. In these shades of calm I find my way, brushing off the noise of yesterday. Every hue a voice, a healing balm. I'm coming home in shades of calm. Yes, I'm coming home in shades of calm. I color strong, I color loud. Not here to follow, here to be the full untamed version of me. No more edits, no more doubt. Let every color figure out. I'm vivid and true, I don't tone it down. Wearing my soul like a neon crown. Every
a fearless flame, you'll see me coming through. Vivid and wild, vivid and true. They told me softer was the way, but soft can roar in its own way. I'm not a filter, not a trend. This color story doesn't bend. I don't need their black and white. I'm made of contradiction and light. I'm vivid and true, I don't tone it wrong. Wearing my soul like a neon crown. Every line, a choice I trade. Every hue of fearless flame, you'll see me zooming through. Vivid and wild, vivid and true. Even when they don't understand, I'll draw my world with my own hand. Bold is just another way to say I'm here and won't decay. I'm vivid and true, I don't tone it down. Even if they try to drown the colors I was born to show, I'll just burn brighter as I go. This is what I'm meant to do, to live and love, vivid and true.
Colors from beneath my hand, shapes arise just as I planned. Brush the paper line by line, moments pause in every sign. In this world of common light, every shade feels warm and right. Watch the magic slowly grow. In the art my heart will show. Whispers drawn in pink and blue, dreams in motion coming true. Flowing gently, stroke by stroke. In this stillness I awoke. In this world of common light, every shade feels warm and right. Watch the magic slowly grow. In the art my heart will show. Every color tells a story, and this one is mine. A chance to let me be myself. I love how things begin to take shape when they're mine. And I know it's not just about what I draw, but who I am inside. I'm just a girl with a pen and paper, no big deal. But I love the way the colors come together, the art that flows from my brain and my hands. Side, 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 side. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Painting by numbers from a photograph. Dogs fold arms like cotton candy, chasing pieces that don't fit. So fall back on your imagination. Take the time to breathe and paint. Let go and start again. It might look crazy, but it stops crazy. If you're mad at me, tell me why. But what I'm doing isn't wrong, I swear. It is so beautiful, so pure and real and free of pain. Shh, don't worry about me. I'll be okay, 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 okay. That's all we need to know. I hope you understand what I mean. Colors bloom beneath my hand. Shapes arise just as I planned. Watch the magic slowly grow. In the art my heart will show. Awake with a storm behind my eyes. Quiet chaos I can't disguise. But there's a world that waits for me. In pencil lines and shades set free. I don't need to speak to heal. I just trace what I feel. It's every spiral, curve and hue.
find the courage to push through. So I color without fear, let the silence disappear. All my shadows, all my doubt fade as I fill the outlines tight. Love's not always crystal clear, but I color without fear. Memories tangle in my chest, some I welcome, some I rest. But every mark I close today turns the ache a softer gray. I hold the blue, I feel the lead, paint the thoughts I've never said. Somewhere in the purple sky, I remember how to try. So I color without fear, let the silence disappear. All my shadows, all my doubt fade as I fill the outlines out. Love's not always crystal clear, but I color without fear. You don't have to understand, just watch this bloom beneath my hand. In every page I leave a trace of finding light in quiet space. So I color without fear, every heartbeat drawing near, letting go with every line, finding strength that once was mine. Love lives softly, ever near. And I color without fear, yes, I color without fear. I don't need a finish line, I don't need a flawless shine. All I need's a little space to move in color, not in haste. No pressure here, no need to prove, just feel the rhythm and let it move. One hue at a time, I come alive. Every shade a reason to survive.